Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an excellent option for first-time drone pilots as well as aerial photography enthusiasts who want strong performance and a compact, easy-to-use design. With a lightweight 249-gram takeoff weight, the drone avoids many registration requirements and is convenient for casual flying. Safety is also a priority, thanks to built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors that help reduce the chances of accidental collisions. The DJI Flip includes a dedicated remote controller in the standard package, but users can also operate it through a smartphone app or even basic onboard controls. Despite its beginner-friendly design, camera performance is impressive. The drone captures smooth 4K video at 60 frames per second and offers high-quality still photos in either 12MP or 48MP resolution, saved in JPG or RAW formats for flexible editing. This drone is ideal for beginners who want a safe and simple flying experience without sacrificing image quality. Integrated safety features and stable flight controls make learning easy, while advanced imaging capabilities allow users to grow their skills. Photography and video enthusiasts will appreciate support for DNG RAW photos and a flat D-Log-M video profile, which provides greater control over color grading and exposure adjustments during editing. Recreational flyers also benefit from its lightweight build, making it convenient for hobby use and travel. Overall, the DJI Flip balances portability, safety, and professional-level imaging, making it a versatile drone suitable for new pilots, creative users, and casual flyers alike. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 stands out as one of the best entry-level drones for beginners and casual creators who want strong camera performance and a lightweight design. It features an impressive camera capable of recording smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second with HDR-style processing, and it can shoot in both vertical and landscape orientations. This makes it especially useful for creators producing content for platforms like YouTube and TikTok. The camera also supports a unique 60-degree upward tilt, giving users more creative shooting angles. Photo quality is solid as well, with support for 12MP images in either JPG or RAW DNG format. Its bright f1.7 aperture performs well in low-light situations, such as sunrise or sunset, helping capture clearer and more detailed shots. Weighing just 249 grams, the Mini 3 is easy to carry and convenient for recreational flyers. The lightweight design allows pilots to fly with fewer restrictions while still benefiting from built-in safety tools. GPS stabilization keeps the drone steady in the air, and features like Return to Home and Find My Drone help prevent loss and improve flight confidence. Although it lacks obstacle detection, the drone still provides a reliable flying experience. Content creators will appreciate the flexible shooting options, while licensed pilots benefit from remote ID support, making it suitable for commercial work. With long flight times of up to 38 minutes and intuitive controls, the DJI Mini 3 offers a balanced mix of portability, image quality, and user-friendly operation. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 shows that high-quality drones are not limited to just one brand. This compact quadcopter weighs only 249 grams, which makes it convenient for casual flying and easier to use without many restrictions. Despite its small size, the Atom 2 delivers impressive camera performance. It records smooth and stable 4K video at 30 frames per second using a 3-axis gimbal that helps eliminate shakes and vibrations. The drone also captures detailed still photos at 12MP or 48MP resolution, and photography enthusiasts can take advantage of the RAW DNG format for more flexibility during editing. During testing, the Atom 2 proved dependable, offering consistent flight stability, responsive controls, and a long-lasting battery capable of up to 32 minutes of flight time. A dedicated remote controller is included in the box, making setup simple and beginner-friendly. The Atom 2 is well suited for beginners who want a capable first drone without spending too much. It produces good-looking photos and stabilized video, although it does not include obstacle avoidance, so pilots should fly carefully around trees and buildings. Recreational users will appreciate its lightweight design, which makes it ideal for hobby flying and travel. The drone also includes built-in remote ID, a feature rarely found in this weight class, making it suitable for licensed pilots who use drones for professional tasks. Whether capturing real estate photos, creating monetized videos, or shooting stock footage, the Potensic Atom 2 offers strong performance, portability, and reliable image quality in a compact, affordable package. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is designed for users who want a simple, compact drone for quick selfies and casual landscape videos. Its lightweight body and built-in propeller guards make it safe and easy to launch or land directly from the palm of your hand. This small drone captures smooth 4K video and offers around 18 minutes of flight time on a full charge, which is suitable for short trips, social media clips, and everyday use. You can control the DJI Neo using a smartphone app, and a dedicated remote control is available separately for those who prefer traditional joystick controls. While its video profile isn't as advanced as higher-end DJI models, the quality is still good enough for social media sharing, especially considering its affordable starting price. The DJI Neo is a strong option for beginners who want a drone that is easy to learn and operate. It includes automated flight paths that allow the drone to perform preset movements with a single button press, helping new pilots capture smooth footage without complicated controls. Selfie lovers will also appreciate the on-drone buttons, which let you quickly record short clips without connecting to an app or remote. Recreational flyers benefit from the lightweight design, making it convenient for travel and casual flying. Because it weighs under 249 grams, it's ideal for hobby use. Overall, the DJI Neo focuses on simplicity, portability, and quick content creation, making it perfect for casual users and social media creators. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. First-person view, FPV, drones create a completely different flying experience by sending an ultra-low latency live video feed straight to a pair of goggles, putting you virtually inside the cockpit. Instead of calmly capturing scenic landscapes, FPV drones are built for speed, agility, and excitement. Pilots can zip through tight gaps, perform flips, barrel rolls, loops, and dramatic dives, creating footage that feels like a high-speed roller coaster ride. This style of flying is more about adrenaline and dynamic motion than perfectly framed aerial photography, making FPV drones especially appealing to thrill seekers and action content creators. Flying an FPV drone is also more challenging than using a standard camera drone. You typically lose automated safety features and fly at much higher speeds, leaving less time to react. The DJI Avata 2 from DJI helps reduce this difficulty, offering a more beginner-friendly FPV experience. It captures sharp video at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, while its motion-sensitive controller allows intuitive steering. Even without automatic obstacle avoidance, the drone can quickly brake and hover, making it more forgiving than traditional twin-stick FPV controls. The included goggles are another highlight, delivering a crisp, immersive view through dual micro-OLED screens. They're comfortable to wear and feature adjustable interpupillary distance and diopter settings, which help users with vision differences see clearly. Flying the Avata 2 feels similar to riding a bike with training wheels, easy to control but with some limitations. More advanced stunts, like steep power dives, require the optional DJI Remote Controller 3, which unlocks full manual control.